The law of attraction is always working, shaping your reality based on your energy. Like gravity, it never stops. It responds to your thoughts, emotions, and subconscious beliefs. Everything in this universe is energy, including you. Your body, thoughts, and emotions vibrate at a specific frequency, and you attract what matches your vibration. Before we continue, take a moment. If you're ready to shift your reality, hit like, subscribe, and comment. I am aligned with my desires. Taking action signals to the universe that you're ready to receive. Your subconscious mind is the engine behind attraction. From birth, it was programmed by your environment. These patterns, called paradigms, control your vibration and ultimately your results. You can think positive thoughts, but if your paradigm is wired for scarcity or fear, that's what you'll continue to attract. The law of attraction doesn't respond to wishful thinking. It responds to deeply held beliefs. To change your life, you must shift your paradigm. It's not just about thinking differently. It's about feeling different, stepping into abundance, love, or success as if it's already yours. Change is uncomfortable. Your subconscious resists it. But discomfort is a sign of growth, proof that transformation is happening. If you want to attract wealth, you must vibrate on the frequency of abundance. If you want love, you must embody love. Everything you desire already exists. You just need to align with it. So ask yourself, what vibration am I living in today? Am I attracting what I want or what I fear? Because the law of attraction is always working. The only question is, are you using it consciously?